Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your English class, and we in the previous video we started the lesson Birdwatcher, and today we are going to do the exercises of this lesson. Okay, you need to open your box. Before starting the exercise, I'm going to show you the picture of black robins. This bird is found in Chatham Islands, and this is a very rare bird found there. And this was the bird whom Mr. Rees and Cyril, they both uh, uh, they saved this bird and protected its eggs. Okay, now come to the next page. I send you the notes of question answers. Learn to read one, and then you are going to start the next exercise, which is learn words. Okay. In the story, the word bird watcher refer to the person whose hobby is watching birds. Here, the word watcher is formed by adding suffix er to the verb watch. So similarly, adding letters at the end of the root word, we can make different new words using suffixes. For example, if we add or to the act, it becomes actor. And when we add er to teach, it becomes teacher. So in the same way, we are going to make new words adding suffixes at the end of root words. A is bowl, bowler. B is ride, rider. C is manage, manager. D is instruct, instructor. Paint, painter. Wrestle, wrestler. Govern, governor. Collect, collector. Employ, employer. Run, runner. Now, choose the correct nouns from these new formed words and then make phrases. For example, if we add painter to landscape, it becomes a phrase landscape painter. Similarly, we can make driving instructor, landscape painter, ticket collector, horse rider, long distance runner, office manager. Now look at B exercise. Do you know that there are a number of idioms in English that begin with the word bird? Some of these are the bird has flown. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. A bird's eye view of something and the birds of a feather. Now let's see their meanings. And then we have to match the meanings with the correct idiom. People of the same sort are found. Its idiom may be the birds of the feather. Number B, it is better to be satisfied with what one has done than to risk losing everything. So its correct idiom is number 2, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Number C, the wanted person has escaped means that the bird has flown. Number D, a general view from a high position looking down. Its correct idiom is a bird's eye view. Now next exercise is learn spellings. Unscramble the letters in the following words. Number 1 is eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Number 2, vulture, V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Number 3, hawk, H-A-W-K, hawk. Number 4, buzzard, B-U-Z-Z-A-R-D, buzzard. And number 5 is harrier, H-A-R-R-I-E-R. These are the famous birds which find their food themselves. They are called birds of the prey. Prey means they catch their food themselves. Number 4, come to the next page. This is complete the sentences using need or have to. Verbs are given in this on the screen, and you have to fill in the blanks using those verbs with need to or have to. Maria is waiting for me at the bank. I need to meet her at 10:30. My hands are dirty. I need to wash them. The game tomorrow is very important for us. We have to win. At the end of the course, all the students will have to take a test. Ali doesn't understand English very well. You have to speak very slowly to him. You will have to travel at least 10 days in a month on this job. I hope you don't mind staying away from home. Amir and Rita will be home from school soon. I need to cook their lunch. Nida and Rania are studying English literature. They have to read a lot of books. Now look at exercise B. We use may for expressing possibility. So here in the sentences, may suggest the chances of something happening considerably. You have to complete these sentences using may. Heavy snowfall is expected this winter. It may snow heavily this winter. Perhaps Javeria will help if you call her up. Javeria may help you if you call her up. Number 3, perhaps the vase is broken. The vase may be broken. It's possible that she won't recognize you even if she sees you. She may not recognize you even if she sees you. Possibly it's a mistake. It may be a mistake. Now, up till this, we have completed all the exercises and question answers of this unit number 6, Birdwatcher. You need to complete all the exercises and get yourself prepared for your test. Okay. Allah Hafiz.